I was just going to start filming this video and say spring has sprung, and then I had a massive sneezing attack, as you can tell by my red nose. But anyway, spring has sprung. Pastel hair, pastel wedges from Fuego. I just received them, and you're gonna be the first to see me try them on and get my real-time reaction. Okay, so let's get the first look. Ooh, they're so pretty. I'm so excited. All right, I'm gonna put them on and then I'll show you. Okay, you guys, these are so cute. They're so comfy. They have like this padding under the heel that I really appreciate. As a person with small feet, I feel like anytime that my weight is on my toes even a little bit, I need like a lot of padding because otherwise the balls of my feet just start to ache. So I really appreciate how padded these are. Also, as a member of the short leg club, I love being able to wear a shoe that gives me the illusion of longer legs without having to wear a heel. So that is fantastic. I love that. And as always, these shoes are gonna make it very easy to turn because they have Fuego's signature dual pivot points on the bottom of the shoe. So generally, I'm in love with these. They're super cute. They're extremely comfortable. They're giving long legs, they're giving spring, and of course, I'm gonna be able to do everything that I wanna do in my dancing with them because I'm able to turn, but they're not too slippery. I'm up and I'm forward onto my toes, but I feel like the way that these shoes are built, my weight is very evenly distributed, so I don't feel off balance at all. I feel like the structure of the shoe is supporting me super well. So I'm very happy with my purchase. If you guys want to get a pair of these wedges, feel free to use my discount code DanceDoctor10 to get a 10% discount. I hope you guys do. I think you're really gonna love these.